In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in hosting or webmail. Setting up an email signature can be incredibly beneficial for both personal and professional communication. It allows you to consistently provide important information about you or your business, such as your contact details and a professional sign-off. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First, you need to log into your hosting or webmail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the hosting or email login page. Enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your webmail. Now, locate the settings option. It is commonly represented by a gear icon, generally located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu. When you're in the settings menu, you'll see several options. What we want to focus on here is the signature section. Go ahead and select that. Next, in the signature section, you'll find a text box where you can create or edit your email signature. Go ahead and type in your desired signature. You can include your full name, job title, contact information like phone number and email address, and even your company's name and URL if applicable. If you'd like, you can spruce it up by adding some style. Hosting or webmail provides some text formatting options such as bold, italics, underline, and font size adjustments. You can use these to make your signature look more professional and visually appealing. You might also want to consider including a legal disclaimer or confidentiality notice if you're using this email for business purposes. It depends on your industry standards and organization's policies, but it's something to keep in mind. Once you're happy with how your signature looks, you'll want to save it. Look for the Save or Apply button, usually located at the bottom of the settings menu or beside the text box where you typed your signature. Click on it to ensure your new signature is saved and now ready to be used in all your outgoing emails. And that's it. You now have a custom email signature set up in hosting or webmail. It's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or a colleague to see how your new signature looks in action and make any adjustments if necessary. Having a signature gives every email you send a professional appearance and communicates important contact details automatically, which is a great time saver. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.